Hello guys, this is Satya Sharma and I will tell you what is full stack development. Full stack development basic, you should know. What is full stack development? So full stack development means working both the front end like client side and back end like server side of the web application. And second, front end. What is front end? So you what users see called front end, and huge language and tools. So language is used for structure like HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and styling for CSS it means cascading style sheets and interactivity and functionality of website like JavaScript. It is a enable function. It is available function just like a click to event, and React.js framework for building dynamic and loader faster UI in etc. And backend. What is backend? So behind the scene, you cannot see called backend. Language used to backend. First is Python, Java, PHP. Node.js is a type of the Node.js is a framework of the JavaScript, and Python is the most powerful programming language, and PHP it means it is a server side programming language. It means person of home page hypertext deposition, and handle the server logic. It means server logic, Express.js and Django from framework, and use database for MongoDB, MySQL etc. And you should know API. What is API? API means it means application programming interface, how it work, and connect front end to back end using REST API. Connect front end to back end. It is a medium part of the web development which interact front end and interact back end. Okay, send and receive data using JSON format. Okay, and you should be know database basically just like SQL. And so SQL means structured data, structured query language, and it is used for store data you store data, and it's stored, and it's stored structured data tables, structured data row wise and row and table wise. Okay, and then NoSQL. It is a flexible NoSQL. It's used to store data and documents, format of the documents, flexibility of the data. And six number version control. You should know it is a very important. It is used for proof of your work. It is a proof of your work. Okay, and use Git and GitHub to manage and share code. Okay, okay, done. What you done? What you doing? And how to show this? How to showing to another just like you. Okay, hosting and deployment. So hosting front end Netlify and Vercel, and host backend Render and Railway and Hero etc. Authentication is the most important login sign up etc. So implement login system or sign up system using JIT session or authentication. Okay, thank you. If it is a basic fundamental knowledge of full stack development. Thank you.